And it goes a little something like
Hello everyone, Leanna here. So today I'm currently in my mother's garden right now. As you can see with the plants behind me. So sometime during quarantine, my mother took up a new hobby of raising or rearing plants. And she spent a lot of time and money to collect and take care of all these plants behind me over here. And there's actually a lot more around me, but I can't really show it to you right now. And speaking of plants, today we are going to talk about the plant cell and its parts and functions. So this is my 3D model of a plant cell. I made this entirely out of styrofoam, paper mache, paint, and a bit of clay. Plant cells are similar to animal cells in being eukaryotic and having similar cell organelles. Generally, plant cells are larger than animal cells and differ in shape. Plant cells are typically boxy or rectangular in shape, while animal cells and bacteria cells are rounder. They also carry distinct features, unique only to them, like a cell wall, a large single vacuole, and chloroplasts. The stark green outer layer is the cell wall. The cell wall is seen only in plant cells. It is made of cellulose. The function of the cell wall is to support, protect, and allow diffusion of gases in and out of the cell. The cell wall then pushes against the walls of other cells, creating a force known as turgor pressure, which then helps a tree and other plants to stand tall and grow against gravity. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is semi-permeable. It is the outer lining of the cell which encloses all other cell organelles. It forms a barrier between the cell and its environment and also helps maintain homeostasis. It is responsible for controlling the movement of materials in and out of the cell. It allows only specific molecules to pass through while blocking others. All cells are covered by the cell membrane. It supports and protects the cell. This light green surface is the cytoplasm. It is the fluid substance that fills the cell. All the cell organelles are suspended in it. The cytoplasm maintains the osmotic concentration of the cells and prevents them from bursting or shrinking. This large membrane-bound chamber is called the central vacuole, which can only be found in plant cells. Its main function is storage. It stores food, water, and sugars. It also facilitates detoxification or the removal of waste products. This round organelle is the nucleus. The nucleus contains deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, the cell's genetic material. DNA contains instructions for making proteins, which controls all of the cell's activities. The nucleus also regulates the growth and division of the cell. While the porous double membrane layer surrounding the nucleus is the nuclear membrane. It allows passage of substances and is a distinct characteristic of a eukaryotic cell, while that red darkly stained area in the nucleus is called the nucleolus. It aids in protein formation and RNA synthesis. All of these are the endoplasmic reticulum. It is a membrane-bound organelle which makes lipids and other materials. It helps carrying materials through the cell and it aids in protein synthesis. It is composed of both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is covered with ribosomes. They follow the instruction from the nucleus and make proteins the cell needs, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum it transports material through the cell and produces and digests lipids and membrane proteins. These red spherical-shaped organelles are the mitochondria. The mitochondria is a double membrane-bound organelle and has numerous folds. It is the site of aerobic cellular respiration and breaks down sugar molecules to release energy. It is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. These are the Golgi apparatus. They are located near the nucleus. They are responsible for taking proteins and lipids within the cell and modifying, packaging, and transporting them via vesicles to other places within the cell. They are also called the Golgi body or the Golgi complex. These organelles are unique only to the plant cells. Chloroplasts produce food or energy for the cell by converting sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into sugars. This process is called photosynthesis. The sunlight absorbing molecules inside the chloroplasts are called chlorophyll. These small round organelles scattered throughout the cell are called ribosomes. Ribosomes are the smallest cell organelles and are the most abundant. They are found in all cells as they synthesize proteins that are required for the survival of the cell. Ribosomes can also be found on the surface of the rough ER. That's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.
You are a farmer and after